Welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv or using Deriv bots, you know that the biggest enemy of any trader is the unpredictable losing streak. We have all been there. Your strategy is working perfectly, and then suddenly the market turns and a long string of losses wipes out your profit. But what if you could skip those losses? What if you could let the bot trade in the background using fake money during a bad streak and only switch to real money when the probability of winning is at its highest? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a sophisticated digit matcher strategy combined with virtual loss logic. And the secret to doing this effortlessly without complex coding or headaches is a platform called Pivotcore. Let's break down the strategy. We are using a digit matcher approach. In standard trading, you might just pick a number and hope for a match. That is gambling, not trading. To turn this into a system, we introduce the concept of virtual loss. Imagine the bot is analyzing the market ticks in real time. Instead of placing a trade on every tick, the bot waits. It is looking for a specific pattern of failure. For example, we can tell the bot, wait until you see 4 virtual losses in a row. This means the bot simulates the trade internally. Once it detects that the market has moved against our prediction 4 times consecutively, statistically a correction or a match is becoming more likely. That is the exact moment the bot strikes with a real stake. You are essentially filtering out the market noise and only entering the arena when the odds tilt in your favor. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but coding a virtual loss trigger into a standard XML bot is a nightmare. You have to manage variables, reset counters, and hope you didn't make a logic error that drains your balance. This is where Pivotcore changes the game entirely. Pivotcore isn't just another bot platform. It is a complete ecosystem designed to make professional-grade strategies accessible to everyone. When you run this digit matcher strategy on Pivotcore, you get access to a visual interface that simplifies the entire process. You don't need to be a programmer. Pivotcore handles the heavy lifting of the virtual loss calculation instantly. It monitors the ticks faster than a human ever could and executes the entry with 0 latency. The real advantage of using Pivotcore for this strategy, however, goes beyond just ease of use. It's about account protection and analytics. Pivotcore provides you with detailed real-time data on how your strategy is performing. You can see your virtual win-loss ratio versus your real trading results side by side. This transparency allows you to tweak your virtual loss threshold on the fly. Maybe the market is volatile and you need to wait for 5 virtual losses instead of 4. On Pivotcore, that adjustment takes seconds. Plus, the platform is cloud-based and optimized for stability, meaning you don't have to worry about browser crashes or internet lags ruining a perfect setup. So, if you're serious about moving away from random betting and want to start trading with a mathematical edge, you need to stop doing this the hard way. The digit matcher strategy with virtual loss is powerful, but it is only as good as the tool you use to run it. Don't leave your capital to chance with basic tools. Head over to the Pivotcore website right now. The link is in the description. Sign up, load this strategy, and watch how the virtual loss logic can protect your balance while hunting for profits. Pivotcore gives you the control, the speed, and the intelligence you need to beat the market. Go check it out now, and let's start trading smarter, not harder.